BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachati and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 113 of season 3. Today's word is hinder. Would you like to know what it means? It means to make it difficult for someone to do something, to restrict something, or to halt or stop the progress. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word hinder. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Hinder is spelled as H-I-N-D-E-R. The word hinder means to restrict someone or something or to halt the progress. For example, it has been observed that lack of education can hinder the progress of a country. Listen carefully how we can use the word hinder in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. India has a tremendous potential to become a favorite destination for global tourists. But this necessitates that India has an excellent infrastructure to host these tourists. It is felt that a poor infrastructure can hinder the growth of Indian tourism. Moving on to example number 2 of 8. Nowadays, do you observe that during long distance journeys, most passengers are occupied with their electronic gadgets? This fascination for gadgets has hindered the interpersonal interaction between these travelers. Example number 3 of 8. Globally, the proportion of online business is continuously increasing. The online business model needs high-speed internet connectivity to transfer large amount of data. An absence of this can hinder the progress of an online business. Example number 4 of 8. A school came up in a tribal area. The trustees of the school realized that the lack of sufficient food was hindering the expected progress of the students. Hence, the school arranged for a midday meal for them. Do you know that you can speak in English just like your mother tongue? Get in touch with our trainers for free evaluation of your English and train you to build on your English fluency. To know more about our English fluency courses, log on to our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Moving on to example number 5 of 8. The chairman of a company decided to target the export market. The company's managers felt that use of obsolete technology in the production process will hinder the plans to export, and hence there was a need to upgrade the machinery. Now let us understand example number 6 of 8. Angela was expected to be the winner of this year's marathon. She was training hard for several months, but an ankle injury hindered her practice and she decided to drop out of the race. Let us see what example number 7 of 8 has in store for us. The army unit was called to build a foot-over bridge in Mumbai in the shortest possible time. The team in charge cleared all hindrances one by one and completed the project in record time. Moving on to example number 8 of 8. Eminent public speakers have a range of good vocabulary. It helps them to express their thoughts clearly and impress their listeners. But a lack of good vocabulary is a hindrance to an effective speech. Today we learnt the word hinder, which means to make it difficult for someone to do something, to restrict something or to halt or stop the progress. Now quickly frame 3 sentences with hinder and type in the comments box. We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to improve your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 113 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be sharing 1 vocabulary episode daily at 6 am Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.